And I know the type of hugs.
Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they nigga, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up.
And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry.
Oh wait, so yeah, I'm at the mall because I have a credit card bill due. And I would just rather pay them in store than online because, girl, yeah, I'm about to pay my little credit card bill. I need to pee. I gotta pee so bad. And then I just transfer my videos over so when I get to the little hookah spot, I can edit for y'all. So I'm gonna try to have that up today. Hopefully I can get it up tonight. That's my goal, to get it up tonight. So let's go. It's supposed to be a fake little snow blizzard today. I'm irritated, but whatever. It's Chicago. It's Chicago, nigga. Fuck. Oh. I personally just hate driving, period, in like snow or rain. I don't know, I have real bad, I don't like driving, period. Like, yeah, when it's snowing or it's raining, I really don't be fucking with it, so. This snow smacking the shit out of me, though. I can tell you that. This shit feel like big ass salt hitting my face. Pay my bill. I don't even think I got my card on me, so I'm gonna have to put it in my social. See what they got. Daisy, they need to be having that shit. They be having that shit. Oh, these are cute. These too. I gotta pee while I'm in this bitch playing. That's so ghetto of me. Just letting my phone ring like that. Yeah. Holy. Hold on. Focus, focus. Hocus pocus. Yeah, when I had my baby, him being born the day before Halloween, y'all, the only thing that was playing on the hospital TVs, hold on, I'm trying to let this focus on my face. Okay, the only thing that was playing on the hospital TVs, y'all, was fucking horror movies. Like, that was it. That was it. I only had a good 3 channels. So I was watching Dog the Bounty Hunter, or I was watching Hocus Pocus, or all the Halloweens. And you know it's hella Halloweens. The Halloween Resurrection, that's my favorite one with Busta Rhymes and them and shit. That's my favorite one. So I'm getting me some coffee. Well, tea. Y'all know the drill. And I'm about to edit real quick. Hopefully it don't take that long. But yeah, they got 4 things of water. What the fuck? People that come to Starbucks do not feel so fucking amaze me. She ordered 4 things of water with ice. The fuck? OMG. I feel like this Starbucks is high as hell for my car. Ooh. Hi. It's cold as hell. She like, oh my god, that drink sounds so good. I hope they make it right. Put Harriet Tubman on that dub. The fuck? What's wrong with y'all? Y'all should have been put sis on that bitch. Like, well, we knew Trump wasn't finna do it, but Biden, you my nigga if you put Harriet on that bitch. She deserves it.
Just kidding.
Thank you so much. Can I have a long straw? Thank you. Have a good day. They gotta get this street fixed though, cause that shit is not gonna cut it. Like, seriously. Yeah, I really want my son. Well, I'm gonna groom him into being the man that he truly like needs to be. Like, for his woman, for himself, for everything. Like, seriously. It just be a lot of shit that I feel like you having a girl, this is just what comes with it. So I don't want that to ever go over his head. Like, him doing the bare minimum is a fucking enough. It's not enough, son. So, yeah. Like, I was just at the fucking gas station, y'all, and the nigga was sitting in the car while the girl was fucking pumping gas. Like, the disgust. The, like, the fuck. Like, I hate shit like that. You should never have to pump your gas if you in a car with a man, period. Let me go in here and get to work and smoke my little hookah. Hopefully it ain't too crowded, because I do see a lot of little tables. Wow. My chick gonna be so good when I come out. Let's go. So y'all, I just finished editing. I love how I edited the video. I can't wait to upload it for y'all. So now I am about to go home. It's a fake snow blizzard, so I have to get gas. I look so fucking cute. Real cute. But yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm finna go home. I'm finna get some gas, so on and so forth. So yeah, it's literally just snowy as fuck. Seriously. So I just got in the house, you guys. So tired. I'm finna make me something to eat though. And then I need to finish watching 90 Day Fiance. That's my new little show I've been watching, y'all. I never knew it was so good. Like, that shit's so funny. So I'm about to, yeah, relax. I'm uploading a video. Well, I told y'all that earlier, but I'm so excited about it. I've been uploading late because I be trying to just crank out content for y'all. But yeah, I love it. So oh, I ordered some cute stuff, y'all. This for a trip though. It's more so like my birthday stuff, and Rachel bought it for me. So, well, some stuff I'm gonna wear out there. I be loving this foundation so much, so much. But yeah, I'm gonna wind down. Yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute. Oh wait, I'm looking rough than a mother. Okay. Me and my baby was out and about. I went and got some stuff. I'm about to get my house ready for these next little cold winter months. So I got me some little decor to add to it. Probably gonna have a video up on that, just showing y'all what I got, and then kind of just showing y'all how I'm gonna put it together. I haven't did this color. I don't really do like a lot of dark colors. I always be having like some type of pink or blue, or like it's like baby blue. Like it's always like colors. So I'm doing like gold and black and like cream almost. So I'm excited about the little pieces that I got. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, you know, when your house look good, when you look good, when you just be feeling good. So I'm about to get that together. We went grocery shopping. Oh yeah, I need to record today. I have another haul for y'all. I'm excited about this haul. So I need to record again today. I'll probably do it like at night when I put my baby to bed, or early tomorrow. I don't know, I'm not sure, so I'll figure that out. But yeah, I haven't really been like putting like vlogs up like that. I've been really trying to just crank out content for y'all, you know. But don't trip, the vlog is coming, girl. My skin wanna act a plum fool today. I'm not even gonna bother with this damn bump, because every time I mess with it I get a dark spot. So hell no. But y'all got some cute decorations, y'all. I'm so excited to do my house. So I'm finna go home, deep clean. I gotta like rearrange a couple of things, stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be in this video or the next video, like, or if I'm gonna do it like separate. So I don't know. I won't really know until I start editing, because I have so much vlog content that I haven't been posting. So I don't know how I'm gonna chop it up, because I don't want it to be like no longer than like 45 minutes. So yeah, but I just uploaded a video. It did real good. I love y'all so much. Y'all show me the most love, y'all. We like 40 subscribers away from 17K, so I want to let y'all know about the giveaway, of course. But yeah, I got some Valentine's Day looks coming up for y'all. I'm not sure what looks I want to do just yet, but I know I kind of want to do like a simple one, and then I kind of want to do like a bold one. So yeah, like easy. So I don't know, I definitely have to do that for y'all though. I don't know if I already said it or not. I'm gonna bring back Role Models Closet. I have so much stuff to give away, y'all. It's gonna be definitely for the low, like barely worn, like just so much stuff, y'all. So much damn stuff. But we is knocking on February. February will be here in like 2-3 days. It's like, damn, these months is truly flying. January wasn't like a bad month. It was just like, ooh, it's January, god damn. Like, it kind of snuck up on me. Like the new year, everything, it just snuck up on me. I talked about that in one of my get ready with me's. But yeah, I'm excited for February. I'm excited. I'm always excited for every month to see, like, you know, my progress and just things that's gonna come into play. Yeah, but I love y'all. I'm probably gonna check back in with y'all when I get home 9 times out of 10, or this video is probably about to end. So either way it go, girl. Like, comment and subscribe. Damn. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Really? New era. Ooh, so I just got in the crib, y'all. I'm finna show y'all some of the stuff that I got, because I'm about to redo my living room. This bump is so fucking nerve-wracking. Like, so yeah, I'm finna show y'all some of the stuff that I got before I even put it up, and then I'm finna get busy. So probably gonna do like a little before and after shot. I don't know, but yeah, let me show y'all. Okay, so my little sister, for my Christmas gift, I don't know if I told y'all, I was in a store or whatever, and I came across like this decor that I liked, that I wanted, and since she hadn't got me nothing, I'm like, girl, you can just go and buy that. So that's kind of how it went. So I'm gonna show y'all that stuff in a minute, because I think it's in the back. But the stuff I got, so I'm basically doing my living room black and gold. I'll probably end up having to put like little pieces of silver, because I think that thing got silver. But anywho, it's gonna be real nice and cohesive. But let me just show y'all some of the stuff I got. So y'all know right now I got the navy blue and silver curtains hanging up, so I needed some black ones. So I got these. Just some regular black curtains. We gotta put those up. Trying to make it look real like sleek and chic, you know. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces I got, y'all. This is from Burlington. A lot of this stuff is from Burlington or Ross. I got this. I'm probably gonna put it, I don't know if I want to put it on my little stand that I'm gonna have next to my chair, or on my dining room, on a table, or on the coffee table. So I don't know, but this is like one of my favorite pieces. It is so freaking cute, and I got these little things that sit in it. It looks so cute when I put it together at the store. They just use gold and white balls. Oh my god, I thought they were so pretty and elegant, like so cute. And I put them on there like that. Oh my goodness. So it's 3 of them, but I'm not gonna unwrap all of them, but y'all will see. I'm gonna put it in a video. But they are so cute, and I needed like something just new as far as like my decor. So don't get me wrong, I buy new stuff, but for the most part I kind of just, you know, be using my stuff and mixing and matching it. So I love these. Got this cute little candle holder. I don't have no candle holder, so I thought it was so cute, and it's gold. I love this. I think it is so freaking cute. So I had to get that, and then I bought a candle, and the candle smells so good, y'all. And yeah, it's an energy candle, so girl, just know when I light this candle, I'm gonna be praying and getting my prayer on and releasing some shit. Okay, so this, and it smells amazing. Like, oh, it smells literally like good vibes. Like, that's how I could describe it. When I smelled it in the store, I just was smiling. The shit smells so good, and it definitely like shifted my energy. I'm like, oh hell yeah, I'm buying this. Like, it was no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I smelled so many candles as soon as I smelled this one. And this is by Aroma Light, and it's a energy. It's an energy candle, and it's a strength, power, and courage. So I thought that was amazing. These are things that I pray for on the daily, so why not? And I'm gonna just sit my little candle on top. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. So I got that. Oh yeah, I got these cute little decorative balls. I love these because on my table that I eat and stuff at, I have this little bowl, and I always like I always have like pink or gray in it, and so these are gold and silver, and I thought they were so cute. They tie in with everything, and it was $5, so yeah, why not? I think they had some with some gold in it, but like I said, I'm trying to like kind of tie in a little bit of silver in with the gold, because I don't want to just go full out black and gold. I feel like that's just so basic. So got that. Oh, actually, hey Noodle, hey. Well, what else did I get? Oh yeah, let me show y'all what Rachel got me for Christmas, so y'all can kind of see like why I got this stuff. Okay, so I think this rug, so cute. It's black and gold. It is so cute, y'all. Just to put my little coffee table on. So I love this. Like, oh goodness, it's like big. So that was like what set the tone. It's always something that like kind of get me like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this color next. So this was the rug that I seen. They actually had a bigger one, but by the time I went back over there, somebody had already fucking grabbed it. So the rug feels super duper good. That's the next thing I gotta buy, like a little, when people first come in my house, like a new rug. I have one, but I just want a new one. So then I got these pillows. They feel so good. I don't have absolutely no black pillows. Oh my god, y'all, the pillows feel amazing. So I'm gonna put those on my couch. This picture says no excuses, period. Like, I love this. I love pictures that have meaning. I love pictures that are self-motivating. Like, bitch, ain't no excuses to get to it. So I love this picture. It's so cute. And then I got these, which are just a set of two. So cute and bougie. We love that. So that is like, that's the wave. I'm gonna show y'all though how everything looks, you know, once it's up. So I'm about to start decorating, you guys, and I'm excited because I haven't decorated since the beginning of December. So I'm in need for something new in my life, girl. Since it ain't a man, it might as well be some new decor. So yeah, stay tuned because it's going down. I'm finna show y'all how it look in a minute. So like, comment, subscribe while I look fucking sleepy. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how it look in a minute. So like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the little bin thingy that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm about to put these balls in the inside. So yeah. Well, the freaking bowl is too small. I might have to use my old one. I have a square one though. That one might be cute. Okay, I'm finna redo it. Okay, y'all, so I put it in the square one, and I actually think I like that one better. I don't know. That's the thing when I'm decorating. I really don't know until I kind of finish, but it looked cute with like how everything in the back looks. So we shall see. And then I have this medium one, so I'm gonna see how I look with this one too. And it's kind of like, well, I have more balls. Hell no. I have more balls, so I'm not really, I don't know. Yeah, I won't know, y'all. So I'm gonna come back to that, because I hate when I don't know what to do, because I might just resort back. Oh, I hope I was not covering the freaking speaker. But I might resort back to the little bowl one that I already have. So I don't know. So I'm gonna put my little plug in. This is one of my favorite scents. Like this one and Ocean. And I'm telling you, they smell so good. So I ended up keeping the balls in there. And then onto my little corner, y'all. So I originally had my black thing with the elephants and stuff in it, but I switched it. I don't know if I want to keep it like that or not, but I love this little corner. I done found this little rug that I had when I first moved here, so I needed that. And